It just needs to catch
So now we
fire.
roast it here. Vegan marshmallow.
I've never done this, like, not outside before.
Chuts, yours is on fire.
No, it's not.
She likes it burnt.
Yours is on fire. Oh my god, see?
Yours is on fire. No, just blow on it.
It's getting a little...
Oh, you started. Chuts, you're gonna clean my stove.
I know.
Oh, I feel like the chocolate one, it, like, doesn't, like, have that peelable layer that...
Okay, so now we're gonna take the graham cracker and... Sorry. We're gonna... Oh no!